Welcome to Poppy's Kitchen in UK. I have been invited by Dr. Jeannie Haldar to present any recipe on the occasion of Basant Panchami, and it was scheduled last week for her group creative activities online. And as all of you know, that last Sunday, legendary singer, Indian singer, Lata Mangeshkar ji expired, and that day we were not in that mood to do something of celebration. So we decided to do the same thing for this Sunday. So here I am. Now, in Bengal or Bengalis celebrate Basant Panchami, the fifth day of spring, uh, by worshipping goddess of learning Saraswati, and mainly that time they eat khichuri or khichari, and that is made of, as you know, with rice and lentils. But Bengali khichdi is quite delicacy. It's not like the in North India or other parts of India they think is like a food for the sick people or weak people. So they give it when someone is patient, someone is not feeling well. But in Bengal, this is like bhog to offered to goddess or gods, and it is roasted mung beans and rice. But today I am going to show something from North India they do on Basant Panchami. And as they celebrate the season of Basant, is spring. And in Allahabad, where I was brought up, or Prayagraj now, the name, new name, there they have also a big snan, means they take dip in the Ganges or Triveni Sangam, confluence of Jamuna, Ganga and Saraswati, three rivers. So that is a big holiday there, lot of traffic restrictions, and on the top of that people eat yellow, either semolina pudding, halwa, or they make Kesari Bhat. Kesari means jaffran, or in Urdu we say jaffran, and in English we say saffron. So saffron is used to make this, and this is a sweet dish, and very nice. And in here in UP they say Kesari Bhat, but in Punjab they say Pile Chawal. But they all make yellow, and it's a sweet dish. It can be made very simple with this, 2-3 ingredients, or can be made with you can make it luxurious by adding lot of other things if you have. But if it is an occasion, you can do it. And if it is you have whatever you have at home, you don't want to go to shops, you can do it. But main thing is the rice, good rice, like basmati or Dehradun rice. And the other thing is sugar and the yellow. If you don't have saffron, saffron is quite expensive. But if you don't have, you can use yellow food color, and people use that. And then some dry fruits, and to enhance the flavor you must use ghee, and also some the spices like cardamom, green cardamom, or some people use cinnamon. I'm not going to use it. I'm using cloves and cloves. So these are the things. So, and I am going to flavor it because I have got at home. So I am going to flavor it with rose water as well as kevda water. This is kevda. I love the flavor of kevda. So the ingredients I am going to show. I am using cooked rice, half cup. This is a half measuring cup. Cooked rice. Rice should be cooked, but not fully, like 5% less. So it should look separate. You can separate them like, the each grain. So it should be fluffy. And I cooked it 3-4 cups of water with 1 cup of rice. If you are using or half cup of rice, then just use as much as water. It doesn't matter because you are going to drain it. Okay, so that I did like that. And so then it is you are sure that how much what sometimes rice are of different types of rice. If it is old rice, it takes longer to cook. If it is new rice, a new harvest, then it cooks very quickly. So it is better. I find it is this way is the better way. People use with the raw rice, but I am going to do it with the cooked rice. Another thing is that this is also called zarda, and it is served in usually in Muslim wedding ceremonies, and that is very rich because they put lot of dry fruits and make it very rich. So a lot of ghee and very sweet, and also other ingredients if they want that mewa or mawa or koa. So that is a rich one, but this is the simple one for Basant Panchami. So I have taken half cup of cooked basmati rice. For half cup, I am using 1 tablespoon very fine sugar. But if you want more sweet, you can put 2 tablespoon of that for half cup of rice, and you can do it as uh, up to your taste. Then I'm using ghee. I have got ghee here, and then I am using saffron. And if saffron doesn't give enough color, I can use some color, food coloring also here. And then I have got also rose water here, and uh, green cardamom powder I will use. And then I have dry fruits soaked in water, and then I have got here cashews and cashew nuts and some raisins. I'm using, you can use other things, you can use almonds or whatever, pecans if you like, whatever you like, your dry fruits, and all to garnish pistachios and almond slivers I am using. And these are pistachios. I have crushed it, not very fine, just the bits should come on your mouth. And then these are slivers to garnish. Now I am going to start because rice is there. I have to show you. These are I am going to use for 3. These are, you see that, cardamom and some cloves. Okay, so cardamom and cloves. So I am going to heat the ghee. I am going to heat the ghee in a pan. This is my pan, and then I will use, I'm going to put the ghee here. So for half a cup, I'm using heat of 1 teaspoon of ghee. But if I need more, I can use a little bit more. Yes, it makes how rich you want. So it is getting hot now. As soon as it melts, I will put those spices, these cloves and these 3 cardamoms in that to temper it. Okay, so it is now melted. Now I'm going to put it here. Let it uh, splutter, then I will get the aroma of that. And as soon as I get the aroma, I will put my rice there, this half cup rice here. So I'm moving this, and now you can see as soon as rice is not very cold, so it is a little bit, it should be warm, not very cold rice. If it is cold, make it warm before in the microwave. Now I'm going to put the sugar. Now what I have done, I have crushed those because you know that these have got like strings. See that? So I have put some and crushed them in this, and I'm going to put that with some water, a little bit. If you want to put some milk, it doesn't matter. Just you need that to be liquid. You can see that here, liquid. And then I'm going to put it here to make it yellow. So I need a little bit more of this because color hasn't come yet. So I'm using more this. You see? Don't put too much, then it will become orange. But saffron color is saffron always. So I'm crushing them again. And then with some little bit of water. And this, yes, I have done it. Now goes my all dry fruits, what I have soaked them in this. So sugar has gone, the saffron has gone. You see that? So nice color, like Basanti or Basant Panchami and nice flavor. You know that Kesar or saffron or saffron doesn't give only the color, it gives the flavor as well. That's why the people put it, and it is so expensive. So now it is nearly done, and I am going to put some. Okay, you see that you don't have to do much. My sugar has also melted and everything is done. Some people put, when they cook, they put some syrup. I don't like that. This way I find it is better. So now I'm going to put some rose water, a little bit. You know I don't have much rice, so I'm going to put a bit of rose water. And also some kevla water. That's okay. It's done. Now I am going to serve it. Here. So I can't express I can't show you the flavor because it's all about flavor. the saffron's flavor, the cardamom's flavor, and the ghee. Now I will sprinkle, because already we have, so I will sprinkle some cardamom powder to make it more authentic Indian, and then I'm going to put these crushed pistachios. As much as you put, it tastes nice. Everyone loves the, if you are not allergic, these are almond slivers. This is done. I want to show you. Can you see? Oh, it's not here. So, see this? This is pile chawal, kesari bhat, or saffron rice, or even you can call it zarda. So, make it, enjoy it, and it's very simple, very easy, and very delicious, tasty, and nice. And you can do it anytime, only with 3-4 ingredients. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy this. Thanks. Bye.